The first toolpath that we will create on the part is a facing toolpath. Select the facing icon. When the new NC name dialog box appears, choose the OK button to accept the default NC name. Select the Face 80-degree tool and input the comment, "Face the part." Now select the Face Parameters tab and make any necessary changes as shown. Set the entry amount to 0.01, enable rough step over, and set the value to 0.05. Also, ensure Finish Step Over is enabled with a value of 0.01. Once the information is selected, choose the OK button to generate the facing toolpath. Your toolpath will appear as shown. We will now rough the OD of the part. Select the rough icon. The chaining dialog box will appear. Leave the default settings in the dialog box. Select Entity A, then Entity B as shown. Ensure the chaining direction is counterclockwise. Once completed, select the OK button to exit the chaining dialog box. Again, select the Face 80-degree tool and input the comment, "Rough the OD." From here, select the Rough Parameters tab and ensure that the stock recognition is set to Use Stock for outer boundary. Make the following changes as shown. Ensure the depth of cut is set to 0.125, minimum cut depth is set to 0.01, stock to leave in X is set to 0.1, stock to leave in Z is set to 0.1, and a variable depth is set to 0. Make the changes as shown. You can now pick the OK button to generate the toolpath. Your toolpath will appear as shown. Press Alt-T to remove the toolpath display from your screen. We will now use a finished toolpath to finish the part. Choose the Finish icon. When the chaining dialog box appears, pick the Last button. Now select the OK button to exit the chaining dialog box. This time we will select a right turret 35-degree tool from the tool list. Input the comment as shown. From here, select the Finish Parameters tab. Change the compensation direction to right and select the Plunge Parameters button. Enable the second option to allow plunging in both directions. Ensure back clearance is enabled and set the angle to 3 degrees. You can now select the OK button twice to generate the toolpath. From here, left-click on Geometry under the Finish toolpath. When the Chain Manager opens, right-click on Chain 1 and select the Reverse Chain option. Now select the OK button to exit the Chain Manager. From here, select the Regenerate All Dirty Operations button to regenerate the toolpath. Next, I will show you how to check your parts using Backplot and Verify. To backplot all 3 operations we have done so far, click the Select All Operations icon. Now click the backplot icon in the Operations Manager. Backplotting shows the path the tools take to cut the part. This display lets you spot errors in the program before you machine the part. As you backplot tool paths, Mastercam displays additional information such as the X, Y, and Z coordinates, the path length, the minimum and maximum coordinates, and the cycle time. It also shows any collisions between the workpiece and the tool. From here, select the Backplot tab and enable the following settings as shown: All Operations, Follow, and Leads. Now select the Home tab and make sure you have the following settings enabled: Tool and Workpiece. You can now select the Play Simulation button to run the backplot. Use the Fit Screen icon to view your part. Your backplot will appear as shown. We will now simulate the toolpath and verify. From the Mastercam Backplot Home, select the Verify button. From the Mastercam Backplot Home, select the Verify button. We will now simulate the toolpath and verify. Verify mode shows the path the tools take to cut the part with material removal. This display lets you spot errors in the program before you machine the part. As you verify toolpaths, Mastercam displays additional information such as the X, Y, and Z coordinates, the path length, the minimum and maximum coordinates, and the cycle time. It also shows any collisions between the workpiece and the tool. Ensure that the following are enabled: Tool, Stock, Fixtures, and Workpiece. Now select the Play button. To view the whole part, select Isometric View and Fit Screen. Your part will appear as shown. You can now exit Verify. This completes the face, rough, and finish portion of tutorial number 9. In the next video, I will demonstrate the drilling toolpath.